Since January 24, 2023, our system ranks Cenntro Electric as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.750. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 30.82% since we first told you to buy Cenntro Electric 6 days ago. This is an average return of 5.14% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Cenntro Electric, our last headline reads, high volatility in Cenntro Electric stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $0.763. The Cenntro Electric stock price gained 4.91% on the last trading day, Tuesday, January 31, 2023, rising from $0.727 to $0.763. It has now gained 5 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 13.05% from a day low at $0.734 to a day high of 83 cents. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 38.02% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 8 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.26 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $3, and the lowest price was $0.260. Right now the price is 74.58%, or $2.24, below 52-week high and 99.93%, or $1,135.24, below all-time high June 20, 2018, where the price hit $1,136. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 38.19% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 95.34% and minus 38.19%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 49.51% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between minus 92.50% and minus 4.47%. This equals a price between $0.0572 and $0.729 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for Cenntro Electric. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Cenntro Electric stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $0.641 and $0.467. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, December 20, 2022, and so far it has risen 186.62%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 28 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 56 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 144 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 144 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Cenntro Electric. Cenntro Electric finds support from accumulated volume at $0.742, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.0958 between high and low, or 13.05%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 11.89%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Cenntro Electric. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Cenntro Electric currently has a price-earning ratio of -10.67. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Cenntro Electric meets first resistance at $0.769. If you do not hold Cenntro Electric shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Cenntro Electric finds first level of support at $0.742, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $0.737, minus 3.34%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 83, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 27 days ago. Is Cenntro Electric stock a buy? Cenntro Electric holds several positive signals, and despite the stock being in a falling trend, we considered it to be a good choice at these current levels. We expect Cenntro Electric stock will perform very well in the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Wednesday 1st, we expect Cenntro Electric to open up $0.0128 and start trading at $0.776. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to